Such a delight and an honor to be part of this incredible journey of the National Amateur Short Film Festival contest. In 2020 November, when we unveiled the themes, and then despite COVID, we had these webinars in schools and universities and colleges throughout Pakistan. And by March 2021, we had 1,100 entries. And in June 2022, we sent the first batch of the winners of the National Short Film Festival to the New York Film Academy in Australia Gold Coast. And for this coming year, the commitment comes from the United Arab Emirates, DP World, Dubai Port World, their undertaking, जो batch अब जा रहा है. We had the pleasure of His Excellency Sultan bin Sulaim. बस याद रहे कि पाकिस्तान की कहानी पाकिस्तान की जुबानी ही सुनानी होगी. पाकिस्तान की सच्ची कहानी.